Hello my dear students, today I am going to explain you singular noun and plural noun. A noun identifies a person, place, things or idea. A singular noun names one person, place, thing or idea. While a plural noun names more than one person, place, thing or idea. Most singular noun needs an s at the end and to become a plural. The correct spelling of plurals usually depends on what letter the singular nouns end in. Want to make regular nouns plural, add s to the end. Second, if the singular nouns end in s, double s, sh, ch, x or z, add es to the end to make it plural. Now let us see regular nouns. Most singular nouns form the plural by adding s. Some examples are given. Let us see the example one by one. Singular, boat, in plural, boats. House, houses, cat, cats, river, rivers. In plural nouns, the word is always ends with s. A singular noun ending in s, x, z, ch, sh makes the plural by adding es. See the example. Bus, buses, whiz, wishers, fit, pitchers, box, boxers. Irregular nouns. There are some irregular noun plurals. The most common one are listed below. Women, women, man, man, child, children, tooth, teeth, foot, feet, person, people, leaf, leaves, etc. Now let us see the textual exercise. Practice time 1. Underline the nouns in the given sentence and state whether they are singular or plural. First question. The dogs are running fast. Here dogs is a plural. My father cooks sometimes. Here father is a singular. My grandparents love me. Grandparents is a plural. Many birds migrate in winter. Here birds is a plural. I have kept the key on the table. Here key and table are singular. The old man walked slowly. Here man is a singular. Now let us see one more example. Write the plural form of the following singular nouns. Zero, zeros, tooth, teeth, cherry, cherries, story, stories, self, selves, child, children, mouse, mice, mosquito, mosquitoes, fish, fishers, mango, mangoes. Write the singular forms of the following plural nouns. Here questions are in plural form. You have to write it on in singular form. First one is sheep, sheep. Heroes, hero. Cattle, cattle. Scarves, scarf. Buses, bus. Gold, gold. Calves, calf. Parties, party. Babies, baby. Geese, goose. Fill in the blanks with the plural form of your singular nouns given in the bracket. Here singular forms are given in bracket. You have to write it on in a plural form. First questions. All fat dash were driven away by the Pied Piper. Here mouse is a plural form. Have to write it on in a singular form. Mice. There were many dash in the park. Here child is a singular form. Children is a plural form. His height is 5-3 inches. Here foot inch is a singular form. Feet inches is a plural form. A gaggle of dash were swimming in the pond. Here goose is a singular form or geese is a plural form.